Asthma is a common chronic inflammatory disease of the airways characterized by various and recurring symptoms. Reversible airflow obstruction. Common symptoms include sneezing, coughing, chest tightness, and shortness of breath. Asthma is thought to be caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Its diagnosis is usually based on the pattern of symptoms. It is clinically classified according to the frequency of symptoms. Treatment of accurate symptoms is usually with an inhaler or through oral doses. In very several cases, hospitalization may be required. Symptoms can be prevented by avoiding triggers such as allergies and irritants. The occurrence of asthma has increased significantly since 1970s. In 2011, 235 to 3,000 million people globally were diagnosed with asthma, and it caused the death of 250 million people. Here is a short clip of asthma done by the mass communication students of Lasco Tech. Enjoy it.
Meet me tomorrow, like we always do. But I know you'll be late, like you always do. And this time I promise to tell you how much I care, and to hold you close, 'cause you mean everything to me, dear. All of me, Badurani. When you take us, the ones we love, we'll carry on, and it won't be long. So I pray to be strong. All of me, Badurani. I'm trying to remember the last thing you said.
Asthma is caused by a combination of complex and incompletely understood environment and genetic interactions. These factors influence both its severity and its responsibility, and risk factors influence both its severity and its responsiveness to treatment. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the short clip and hope you have been educated.